Yung i-discuss natin ngayon is tungkol sa ABM or Accountancy and Business Management na strand. Okay? So, ang topic natin ngayon is ano yung mga kurso na pwede mong pasukan or after mong mag-graduate ng ABM strand, or ano yung mga opportunities and mga college courses na available related to ABM. Okay? So, ABM strand or Accountancy and Business Management is a strand that would focus on the basic concept ng financial management, business management, corporate operations, and lahat-lahat na pwede mong ma-encounter tungkol sa business. Okay? ABM can also lead us to the careers on management and accounting, which could be sales manager. If magtrabaho na tayo, pwede tayong maging sales manager, HR, marketing director, project officer, bookkeeper, accounting clerk, internal auditor, and a lot more. Okay? Galing yan sa education.ph, which prino-promote niya yung mga strands na related to K-12. Okay? So, while it is true na pag sinabi mong ABM, hindi gaano bugbog sarado ka sa math, no? Kasi less numbers tayo compared sa HUMS or UMS. This does not mean na yung strand na to ay madali kumpara sa ibang strand like gas, UMS, or other strand na meron tayo dito sa Philippines, no? Part kasi ng curriculum na ito ay tungkol sa world religions, Philippine literature, political and development specialization subjects, and a lot more. What are the college degree programs for ABM students? Unang pwede mong pasukan na kurso is number 1, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Ito yung mas pinaka-popular na kurso sa ABM kasi it will lead you to be a certified public accountant. Okay? Bachelor of Science in Accountancy or BSA prepares students for entry into a variety of fields in accountancy, including corporate accounting, accounting information system, and government accounting. Okay? It is also prepares students for graduate programs like law or master's degree. Okay? Pag pumasa ka sa government exam, kasi pag sinabi mo accountancy, may kaakibat yan na governmental exam after mo mag-graduate sa kursong accountancy. Parang engineering, parang yung mga civil engineering, meron din silang mga board exam, yung mga nursing, meron din silang board exam. Same dun sa accountancy, meron din tayong board exam para dito. Okay? Yung mga field na topics na lalabas sa board exam is mainly ito, yung mga corporate accounting, accounting information system, taxation, and other governmental accounting. Okay? After mo maging CPA or Certified Public Accountant, mas ini-encourage tayo na mag-take up ng master's degree or kaya law. Okay? Just to upgrade our education and mas maraming opportunities para dito. Yung next natin is Bachelor of Science in Accounting Technology. Okay? After mo graduate ng ABM, pwede ka rin pumasok sa kursong ito. Okay? Bachelor of Science in Accounting Technology or BSAT. Okay? Is a non-board program. Meaning ng non-board, wala silang required na governmental exam at hindi ka pwedeng tawaging certified public accountant dito kasi hindi ka accountancy and yung kurso is accounting technology. Okay? Walang governmental exam or walang board exam na kaakibat para dito. Okay? Provide dito yung sa accounting technology ay magkaroon ng students ng knowledge and skill in accounting standards and management. Students dito ay makakagain ng competencies na kailangan ng accounting and bookkeeping, yung mga trabaho related dito, accounts receivable, financial analysis, auditing, tax reporting, and other financial related service. Okay? Pinagkaibahan dito ng Bachelor of Science in Accountancy and Bachelor of Science in Accounting Technology is walang board exam sa accounting technology and hindi ka pwedeng mag-take ng exam for certified public accountant sa accounting technology. Okay? Meron din namang certifications which is considered hindi governed by the government. Okay? Maganda to as your added certification if graduate ka kasi certified accounting technician will lead you to more opportunities. Okay? Yung sunod is Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Kung ayaw mo naman ng accounting or hindi mo bet maging CPA or hindi mo gustong maging certified accounting technician, maybe Bachelor of Science in Business Administration will fit for you. Okay? Madami kasing major or different fields ng pag sinabi mong business administration. Okay? Pag sinabi mong Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, madami kang pwedeng tahakin na kurso or majors. Okay? Isa dyan is major in marketing management. Okay? Pag sinabi mong Bachelor of Science in Business Administration or BSBA, major in marketing management, itong kurso na ito ay designed para i-equip ka sa mga knowledge and skills na effective for marketing and sales strategy. Okay? You will know how a company determines what a product or services to sell, how customers and markets are delineated into target demographics and methods for reaching them. Okay, itong kurso na ito focus din sa strategic marketing issues which marketing managers assess before findings are presented to their executives. So, pwede ka ditong maging marketing assistant if graduate ka ng BSBA major in marketing management. Okay? Kung ayaw mo naman ng major in marketing management, baka gusto mo ng financial management as your major. Okay? Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in financial management will be recommended kasi for 4-year college course lang ito for people who has planned to make a career in banking and finance industry. Okay? Sa program na ito, it aims to help the students acquire analytical skill, perception, competencies necessary for sound financial decision making in the world of business. Okay? Kung gusto mong pumasok sa bangko, gusto mong pumasok sa mga finance companies, mga insurance companies, pwede itong financial management na major. Okay? BSBA major in financial management. Kung ayaw mo naman ng financial management, meron pa ding isa which is banking and finance. Okay? Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in banking and finance. Kanina, financial management, ngayon, banking and finance. Okay? Anong pinagkaiba nila? Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in banking and finance is a 4-year program or degree designed to provide students with the tools for understanding the investments, capital markets, financial management, and financial institutions. Sa degree program na ito, pwede kang maging financial advisor, financial analyst, investment associate, and other things, no? So, pwede din ito sa banking kasi major ka naman in banking and finance, which is hinahanap din talaga ng mga banking entities like BDO, PNB, BPI, East West, and other banking institutions. Next na program natin is BSBA pa rin with the degree naman in Human Resource Management or Organizational Management. Kung ikaw naman ay ayaw mo ng accountancy, ayaw mo ng accounting technology, and gusto mo more on ka sa tao or sa mga applicants, pwede ka dito BSBA, degree in Human Resource Management or Organizational Management. So, itong kurso na ito or degree program is 120 credit program, okay? As long as complete mo yung 120 credit program, pwede ka na maging human resource management na degree holder. So it focuses on employee selection. Pwede kang maging HR dito or a trainer sa mga companies, maging trainer ka or management developer. Kung ayaw mo naman, meron pa din ditong major in operation management. Ano naman yung operation management? So it is BSBA pa rin, di ba? BSBA Major in Operations Management or BSBA-OM is a 4-year degree program ulit designed to provide students with the knowledge and skills in product creation, development, distribution, substantial measurement, and analysis of internal processes. Okay? Itong BSBA-OM is, it will lead you to work or opportunities to the manufacturing companies like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and other manufacturing companies na nangangailangan ng mga analysis when it comes to internal process or product creation. Okay? Kung ayaw mo naman, meron pa din tayong major in economics program or BSBA BUCEC. Okay? So, itong business economics program is designed to provide students ng isang strong foundation and understanding in the world of economics. So, it is more related on economics na meron pa ding halong business. Business foundation. Okay? Covering the local and economic conditions as well as the methods and application of economic analysis. Okay? Next is Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System. So, itong kurso na ito is typically nandoon yan yung mga opportunities is for outside or ibang bansa kasi they are more inclined to technology, and advanced technology is more prominent in countries like US, Japan, China, and other developing countries. Okay? Pag sinabi mong Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System, it is a degree program na pwede sa graduates ng EBM to apply the foundation or learnings related to system technology as well as the accounting process. While most accounting degrees do not cover accounting information system, though this degree particularly focus on the creation, deployment, and use of information systems that make accountants more efficient. Okay? Importante ito sa mga companies na mayroon tayong accounting information system kasi mas pinapadali niya yung work ni accountants. Okay? So, if accounting information system analyst ka, pwede kang maging analyst for Oracle, yung mga accounting system na sikat ngayon, SAP, QuickBooks, or Page3. Okay? Usually sa mga outside the Philippines na mga opportunities nito, pero it will lead you to a higher salary. Okay? Kasi medyo techy na side, so medyo related to technology and merong demand, kaya medyo malaki din ang sahod abroad. Okay? Next is Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. Okay, if hindi na to BSBA, kung ayaw mo ng BSBA, ayaw mo ng accounting technology, ayaw mo ng accountancy, dito ka pwede sa Office Administration. Baka pwede ka dito sa Office Administration, which is a 4-year degree program pa din that is designed to provide the students with knowledge and skills in business management and office processes needed in different workplaces such as general business offices, legal or medical offices. So, you are more on office staff dito pagdating sa Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. Okay? Next is Bachelor of Science in Office Management. Ano naman yung pinagkaiba nila? Ang office management is one of the most important skills na kailangan ng estudyante to be proficient on various types of software such as Microsoft, QuickBooks and other accounting softwares, okay, or other softwares, okay. Students also learn basic functions of accounting kasi kailangan meron kang basic function ng accounting dito kasi you are related more on the business software or the office software. Okay, kasi kailangan mong mag-analyze ng mga data, mag-process ng mga spreadsheets, collect, maintain, and analyze business financial data na pwedeng gamitin sa iyong future work. Okay, in some cases, internship is required in this curriculum. So, pwede kang mag-apply sa mga accounting system na companies or even sa mga accounting offices, no? This is to prepare the student to take jobs such as office manager. Pwede kang maging office manager dito primarily because you are educated and you have the experience in handling office management. Okay? So, meron pa ding isa, Office System Management. So, Bachelor of Science in Office System Management. Ano naman ito? It is a degree program which is called Bachelor of Science in Office System Management that will adhere the standards and policies of Bachelor of Science in Office Management na diniscuss natin previously. So, itong program na to, it aims to prepare the graduates for a career in office administration, especially in various general administrative support. So, nasa back office ka usually dito kasi you are related or you are concerned more of the office system. Okay, and pwede kang maging supervisory if you move up and then eventually maging managerial position. Okay, it also aims to equip graduates na magkaroon ng competencies for self-employment, no? Okay, next is Bachelor of Science in Business Management. Ano naman ito? Bachelor of Science in Business Management. So, it is a management program or business management program that learn you to become a global citizen, critical thinker, and responsible leader. Study approaches na magkakaroon ka ng mga organizational management, and you have the emphasis of being a person with improved effectiveness. So, magiging reviewer ka dito ng mga management theories, mga business plans, and other management policies. Okay, pag sinabi yung Bachelor of Science in Business Management. Next is Bachelor of Science in Customs Administration. Okay? Itong Bachelor of Science in Customs Administration is a 4-year college degree na yung mga students is gustong mag-pursue ng custom brokerage na field or area. Okay? It is a field of transportation and supply chain management or pwede rin sa mga brokerage companies. Okay? This program is designed you to produce custom brokers, freight forwarders, logistic managers, export or import managers, and government custom officers and employees. Okay? Pag customs, pwede kang mag-government, pwede kang maging private sa mga pier or yung mga private ports natin, pwede kang magtrabaho basta graduate ka dito ng customs administration. Okay? Next, Bachelor of Science in Business Economics. Ano naman ito? Bachelor of Science in Business Economics provides an in-depth knowledge with the range of skills to students regarding economic theories, organizational and financing issues related to economics. So, they uses quantitative and analytical approaches that aims to produce graduates who are competent in explaining economic issues of interest and have access to economic data and methods in gathering them. Pwede ka dito maging economic analyst, diba? Pwede kang mag-analyze or maging analyst for a company when it comes to handling their economic activities or assessing their economic activities. Next is Bachelor of Science in Financial Management. It is a management degree that is specialized one. Okay? Special to siya. Kasi you are advanced for a current career na pwede kang pumasok sa financial services or working in a management level with a financial focus. Okay? So, yung mga financing companies natin, pwede ka dito ulit as you have the function-driven attitude than a general business degree. Okay? May specialization ka dito which is managing your financials. Okay? Next is Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Okay? Itong 4-year degree program na to ay centered on how to start and manage a business by combining management, accounting, finance, and marketing principles. This program is designed in order to equip students with the necessary knowledge and skills in identifying business opportunities such as business planning, financing, company evaluation, business management. So, pwede ka dito maging business planner, pwede kang maging financial consultant, valuation executive or valuation assistant, business management associate. Pwede ka dun pag Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Okay? Kung more inclined ka naman sa law, pero gusto mo pa rin ng nasa business related course, is pwede sa iyo to na Bachelor of Science in Legal Management. So, it is a 4-year degree program na mag-i-equip sa'yo ng basic knowledge in legislative proceedings as well as Philippine justice system. Okay, BSLM is bihira lang ino-offer usually sa mga huge huge universities lang in the Philippines kasi it topics the law of business, obligation, contracts, taxation, labor laws, and negotiable instruments. It also aims to teach students the essential of both public and business management. Ang pinagkaibahan lang nito sa Bachelor of Science in Accountancy kasi meron din kasing law sa Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Ang legal management, meron silang public and business management, meron silang labor laws, and other advanced law topics. Kasi sa Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, meron lang kasi tayong business, meron tayong obligation, contracts, taxation, negotiable instruments. No, yung mga basic lang, like law and partnership, civil law, and yung mga other basic laws lang, okay? Bachelor of Science in Internal Auditing, ano naman ito? Bachelor of Science in Internal Auditing focuses more on the organization and performance of operational audits such as being a member of the audit team. Okay? Though tinatakal din ito sa Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, ito is mainly focus lang siya talaga sa internal auditing. Okay? Kasi sa Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, focus niya is external auditing, internal auditing, and other accounting as well as taxation. Okay? So, dito, internal auditing lang talaga purely. Now, let's go to Bachelor of Science in Commerce. Ano yung Bachelor of Science in Commerce? It is a degree designed to provide students with a range of managerial skills, at the same time building competence in a particular area of business. So, yung mga universities ay nag-offer usually ng Bachelor of Science in Commerce kasi it is more exposed or they are exposed to general business principles, accounting, financial management, human resources, statistics, marketing and economics, and some other calculus and accounting information system. Okay? May mga majors tayo dito, Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Computer Science, Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Economics, Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Management, and Bachelor of Science, major in Marketing. Okay, pinagkaibahan lang nito, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, this is a more broader course kasi mas madami siyang tinatackle na mga aspects. Yung Business Administration kasi, they are more focused lang on business and management. Okay? Pagdating sa commerce, well-rounded yung mga subjects dito and you will be more exposed to different fields of business topics. Okay? So, may mga other courses naman na not related though sa business, but you can consider it as part of ABM strand kasi related sila sa management. Yung tourism management, travel management, culinary management, and even yung HRM pwede mong kunin.